Good afternoon, this Tuesday the 7th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, today the RBA announced the nation's cash rate will increase by 0.25% or 25 basis points to 3.35% in a move widely expected by the markets. The RBA Governor Philip Lowe said global inflation remains very high and warns further rate hikes will be needed in coming months to bring inflation back to the target range. The ASX tanked immediately after the announcement, following warnings from Philip Lowe that those further rate hikes are needed in coming months, despite the rate hike today meeting market expectations, which saw the usual rate hike sensitive suspects, including REIT stocks, sold off post the announcement, as investors anticipate further impact to REIT stock balance sheets on the back of this next interest rate hike. For the day, though, the key index ended the day down 0.46%. Hot takeover target Nitro Software received a proposal from Potentia Capital to engage with Nitro in relation to gaining access to due diligence, with a view to potentially increase its current $2 per Nitro share off-market takeover offer to the range of $2.20 to $2.30 per share. Nitro shareholders are cautioned, though, that there is no certainty Potentia will increase its offer for the Nitro takeover, and the current $2 per share takeover bid from Potentia is inferior to the Alludo takeover offer of $2.15 per share that is set to expire on the 3rd of March. The Nitro board is currently seeking advice from its external financial and legal advisors. Nuix skyrocketed 40% today after the investigative analytics and intelligence software company announced the Federal Court of Australia has delivered its judgment in relation to the proceedings brought by former Nuix boss Edward Sheehy against Nuix. The Federal Court this morning dismissed Mr. Sheehy's claims and said there is no requirement for Nuix to amend its options register and that Mr. Sheehy is not entitled to any monetary compensation from the company. The initial claims Mr. Sheehy made were him being owed options and entitlement of shares to the value of $183 million plus interest, which today was dismissed. The winning stocks today were led by New Hope Corporation rallying 3.7%, Link Administration adding 3.43%, and Magellan Financial Group ending the day up 3.36%. And on the losing end, ARB Corp tanked more than 12% today after Macquarie responded to the company's half-year trading update, downgrading ARB to neutral. Lifestyle Communities fell 5.7% today and Centuria Capital lost 5.58%. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were Newcrest Mining, Telix Pharmaceuticals and New Hope Corporation. Australia's trade balance data for December was also released today, showing the country's trade surplus declined to $12.237 billion for the month of December, down from $13.475 billion in November. The trade surplus decline was larger than economists were expecting and mainly driven by surging cost pressures on exports against imports growing amid China's easing of tough COVID restrictions. Exports for the month fell 1.4% from November, while imports rose 1% from November. Overall, Australia posted its fifth straight year of trade surplus, buoyed by robust sales of key commodities like iron ore and natural gas. Taking a look at those commodities, oil is trading almost 1% higher at $74.78 a barrel. Gold is up 0.32% at $1,873 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.8% at $125.50 a tonne. The Australian dollar is buying 69 US cents, 91.65 Japanese yen, 57.24 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And that's all we have time for this afternoon. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you in the morning for the Morning Bell. Happy investing.